Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to add text inside shapes using Canva. This is a game-changing skill for making your social media posts, presentations, or flyers look more creative and professional. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Canva account and open a new design. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is your design hub. Click on the Elements tab, which is packed with all kinds of shapes, lines, illustrations, and icons you can use. Next, in the search bar at the top, type shape. You'll see a variety of options from basic circles and squares to more intricate designs. Scroll through and pick the one that fits your project best. Click on it and it will appear on your canvas. You can resize and move it around by dragging the corners so it perfectly fits your layout. Now comes the fun part, adding text. Click inside your shape and it'll automatically become a text box. Start typing your content. Whether it's a single word or a full sentence, Canva will adjust it neatly inside the shape. Don't forget to make it visually appealing. Use the toolbar above your canvas to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Play around with these options until your text looks perfect within the shape. And just like that, you've learned how to add text inside shapes in Canva. This simple trick can instantly elevate your designs, making them more eye-catching and professional. Practice it a few times, and you'll be designing like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.